Hi, this is Vana from Scapago again. Today I'm inviting you to tidy up a little bit. Now, the language learning challenge has been going on for a few weeks and you have tried, I think, a number of new things, and maybe also your language learning story is a bit longer. So, there's dozens of things, hundreds of things actually, that we can do to learn a language, but sometimes it's also much more powerful to drop something that doesn't work. So today I'd like to invite you to reflect a little bit on what you would actually drop, what you would stop doing. It can be something of the new things that you tried out where you said, yeah, okay, I've been doing this 3 weeks now, but honestly, I don't enjoy it, and I think I'm not going to benefit from it. That's fine. Or something that you've been doing for a longer time before where you say, yeah, okay, that's cool, but honestly, yeah. Whatever it is, whether it's a course that you've subscribed to, whether it's listening to the radio, yeah, really whatever it is. But be a little bit careful to not just drop things without a replacement. So if you say, okay, I've been working on my vocabulary with flashcards and it's just too boring, so let's stop doing that. Okay, but how are you going to work with your vocabulary? Come up with some new idea. Also, think of how, or to put it better, what are your strengths? So, for example, if you're good at listening comprehension and you're putting a lot of time and effort to improving your listening comprehension, then maybe, well, you should focus on something else, on the things that you still have issues with. For example, speaking. You might want to find somebody that you can practice speaking with. Okay, so that's my challenge for today. Please share in the comments what you have decided to drop, potentially also what you're going to replace it with, and I'll see you in the next video.